Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. I'm Hadassah and I make videos related to luxury, beauty, and lifestyle. So if you're interested in that type of thing, which I think you are because you clicked on this video, then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. So let's get into why y'all clicked on this video in the first place. Y'all, let's talk about this hair. Like, are you kidding me right now? Like, I have it to the side because check this out. How gorgeous and big is this hair? Like, she is giving me SZA. She is giving me her. She is giving me Diana Ross. She's giving me everything. She's giving me life. That's what she's giving me right now, and I'm sure she's giving y'all life too, because how could she not? She is simply gorgeous, absolutely stunning. So let's get into the specifics. This is from Sensationnel, or do y'all say sensational? I'm actually not sure. It has two N's. Sensationnel, sensational, however you want to say it. I follow one YouTuber called Wigs and Wanderlust, and she said it's sensational if you have good credit and sensational if you don't. So let's take a look at her stock card. This is Miss Amani, and she is in the color 1B. So it says that it is a lace front edge with a natural hand-tied deep center part. So as you can see, I have her slightly off center to the left here because that's just how I like to wear my parts, and I would definitely say that she's fairly deep. And I just put a little bit of concealer in the part, and so this is one, it does come with lace, so you do have to cut the lace off of her. And if you want to glue her down with some type of adhesive or maybe Got2b glue spray, you definitely can do that on the corners. You know how to lay lace down. So she also comes with baby hairs, but I kind of have them tucked away. Let me see if I can pull some down so y'all can see. There you go. Yeah, she comes with baby hairs, so if you want to do some baby hair slick action, she's here for it. I'm the type of person, I definitely like to throw on my wigs and go. So I did not slick down any baby hairs. So as far as the texture, this is definitely like a kinky texture. She is not super soft, especially in comparison to some of the other wigs that I will be reviewing on my channel. She's not super soft. She's definitely textured, and she will tangle with this curl pattern, no doubt about it. But I don't know why you would be running your fingers through her anyway. So she does come very smushed and condensed, and so y'all already know what I do for that. I just take her and shake her out a little bit just to get a little bit more volume. I know you're thinking I don't need more volume, but you always need more volume, okay? Like, I don't know, I feel like a diva in this wig. That's what I feel like. Like, I had to put on my earrings and everything because I feel like this wig deserves it. Like, doesn't she deserve it? Amani deserves it. So this is definitely that wig when you want to look really extra. She is not an everyday wig. Don't say I didn't tell you, because once again, like I said, I am sure that she will mat and tangle at the nape of the neck, especially if you wear her out in the heat. So I would not advise doing outdoor activities in her because she is a synthetic wig. And so yeah, this is a get your life wig. That's point blank, period, period poo. This is the wig you wear when you want to make a statement, and or the wig you wear to the grocery store if you're extra just like me, because I'm probably about to leave here and go to the grocery store with this wig on just because I'm that type of extra person. So, you know, don't judge me. Let me live my best life. Okay, let me live my best life. But y'all, I am in love. This is in the color 1B, like I mentioned, but there are definitely so many other colors. Let me try to show you the back. Yeah, there you go. So any color that you want. Matter of fact, I think I need her in more colors. I think I need her in some kind of blonde color. And I definitely need her in burgundy. Wouldn't this look amazing in burgundy, y'all? Like, are you kidding me right now? That would be gorgeous. So this is, let me see how much it was. This wig, I got it off of wigtypes.com. If you don't know what wigtypes.com is, I definitely suggest looking them up. They have a great selection of wigs, and they have them for the cheapest price, usually from what I've seen, like in comparison to Sam's Beauty or Ebony Line or sites like that. Usually Sam's Beauty will have the cheapest price. So this wig was $29.94. So $30 for this wig. I'm not mad at it. Like I said, it is not going to be an everyday wig just because of the texture and how she's made. But I have seen videos of people like reviving her, and you can use mousse on her if you're not a fan of her being as big. Like, I'm intentionally shaking her right now and separating the curls a little bit just to get a little bit more volume. But if you're not a fan of that look, you can definitely take some mousse to her. I've seen videos of people doing that, and you can tame her down a little bit. I mean, you're not going to tame her down a lot because, like I said, she's Amani, she's that chick. But you can tame her down a little bit. So do I recommend this wig? 100,000% yes. Please go get this wig, just because, I don't know, I feel like a queen. I think we all should feel like queens at all times. So yeah, go get this wig. Like I said, Wig Types, but you don't even have to get it off Wig Types. I'm pretty sure they have it on Amazon. The only thing is, if you get these wigs off of Amazon, they are definitely going to be more expensive, but you'll get them in 2 days as opposed to ordering directly from Wig Types. I ordered and I got free shipping, but they use USPS priority, and with everything going on, it took a week to get here. So if you need this for an event that's happening fairly soon, I would definitely say check out Amazon, and then you'll be able to use Prime. So let me turn to the side for y'all. Let me see, you can see the back. And then all to the back from the front. Oh, I like this look too. I like all her looks. I don't even know why I'm playing right now. Any angle, I like her. So let's turn to the side. So yeah, she is definitely long. I can definitely tell she will be hot. I keep it fairly cool in my house, so she's not hot. Me just wearing her around the house, I'm not hot. But like I said, if you go out in this heat, I'm in North Carolina. If you go out in this Carolina heat, she'll bite you, okay? Don't stay out in the heat too long, because it will definitely start, I can tell it'll start to mat up at the back. But it's doing well so far, because like I said, I haven't worn it outside or anything. This is just a show and tell to y'all because I love it so much. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about this wig, please leave them down below. If you have any suggestions for wigs you think might look really good on me or wigs you would want to see a review on, also please leave that down below. But don't set me up for the okie doke, y'all, because yeah, some of these wigs out here, they be having you looking real not cute. So, but yeah, I'm just playing in my hair at this point. That's all I have to say. I don't have anything else to say about this wig except go get it. Like I said, Sensational Amani Empress Lace Wig. You need her in your life. It is a need. You need her in your life. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.